YouTube, what is up? So we finally hit 500 subscribers. I think I'm at around 600 right now, but as I promised, I'll be doing the giveaway on the carbon fiber side mirror piece for the Model 3, and I think it fits the Model Y as well. So for more information on that giveaway, please stay tuned till the end of this video. YouTube, what is up? So today's a special day. As you can see behind me, I just got my new tires and wheels. So we're about to go put these on. I haven't opened them yet, so I guess we'll see how they look after they are installed. But these are all season Continental tires. These should be good during the winter. So these tires and wheels, they're about 10 pounds lighter each compared to the stock tires and wheels. Probably get about 30 extra miles when we actually drive. These wheels are 18 inches compared to the stock wheels, they're 20s. So we're gonna replace them. I'm gonna have an upcoming video and we're gonna see the difference. We're gonna check the performance and we're gonna check the range. So super excited to get these installed. I'm about to take it to my local shop. So the next time you see the car, it will have these new 18-inch wheels that I got from t-sportline. And of course, we're definitely gonna have to redo the red liner on the new wheels after we get them installed. So we're gonna go ahead and load the tires and wheels into the truck, and yeah, we're gonna take it to the local shop, and next time you see the car, it's gonna look a lot different. YouTube, what is up? So we are back and I just got the wheels and tires replaced on the Tesla. So before the big reveal, I'm going to show you the old tires real quick just to remind you how the old ones look. So here are the old 20-inch rims. These wheels and tires weigh about, I believe, 28.5 pounds. So these are summer performance tires, and I mean, they look great, but I mean, they're not really good for range. So I think the new tires and rims look great. So without further ado, here's how it looks. Alright, look at these babies. I think they look great. So these are 18-inch rims. I got them from t-sportline. I got their tire and wheel package. And they're on all-season Continental tires. So, tell me guys, what do you guys think of it? I mean, I think it looks pretty great. Lucy, what you think of the new wheels? You don't care? Okay. But yeah, guys, tell me what you think, man. And they fit great over the big performance brakes. As you can see, yeah, man. They look amazing. So tell me what you guys think. Do you like the new tires and rims? I think they look great. So I'm gonna have an upcoming video. I'm gonna have like a part 2. I'm gonna be testing these new wheels and tires. I'm gonna see if I get better range with these tires and wheels. So that'll be in an upcoming video. I'll definitely have to do a review of it. Not going to in this video, but definitely stay tuned. YouTube, so it looks like I have enough of the curb protection for my new wheels. So before I end the video, I'm just gonna go ahead and put this on, and hopefully I have enough. I measured it, but hopefully I have enough for all 4 wheels, and yeah, we'll see how it looks afterwards. We're done with it. I think they look pretty clean. So I'll leave a link in the description with both where I got these wheels and tires from, as well as where I got the curb rash liner from. But yeah, man. It's looking pretty fresh. I did have to steal a part from the old 20-inch rims so I could finish it, but well worth it. And I'm loving the black rims. They just blend in. So yeah, tell me what you think. So that'll be all for this video. Tell me what you think of the new wheels and tires. And of course, do you guys like the red curb rash protective thingamajig on it? Let me know in the comment section below. So please like, comment, and subscribe. And of course, stay tuned for that giveaway. So stay tuned for that. And of course, thanks for watching. YouTube, thanks for staying tuned till the end of this video. As I promised, I'm doing the giveaway on the side mirror piece for the Model 3. I think this also fits the Model Y, so if you have a Model Y or if you're about to buy one, you're definitely eligible to enter. So the prerequisites for winning this side mirror piece, you have to be subscribed to the channel. And in this video, just talk about something about a Model 3 or a Model Y that you like. Of course, you have to either have a Model 3 or a Model Y or be interested in buying one. I don't want to give it away to someone who has zero interest in owning a Tesla. And write a comment in this video. Again, write a comment in this video. And everyone who's eligible, and again, you have to be subscribed to the channel. That's the main prerequisite. And if you left a comment talking about Tesla, I'm gonna take your name, then I'm gonna put in this Tesla hat, shuffle it up a little bit, and I'm just gonna choose a random name from this hat. And I'll reach out to the commenter and send them this carbon fiber side mirror piece. Again, this goes for about like 50 bucks. This is actually made out of plastic, but still looks amazing, I think. And for my next future giveaway, I have another set carbon fiber side mirror pieces. It's gonna be the same prerequisites, but I'm not gonna do a giveaway until I reach 1,000 subscribers. I'll just drop another video and pretty much do the same thing. But the difference, this side mirror piece is actual real carbon fiber. This goes for about 120 bucks. So again, please subscribe, leave a comment, and in my next video, I will announce the winner of the first set of carbon fiber side mirror pieces. So hey, thanks for entering, thanks for watching, and stay tuned. Later.